Visibly brightens the eye area by diminishing the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Instantly reduces dark circles, unsightly bags and puffiness. Restore radiance to tired eyes. Country of origin is United States. Top reviews from the United States. Eye cream that works. I've used this Origins Ginzing under eye cream for 4 to 5 years. However, I didn't realize what a difference it has made to my under eye area until I ran out. Wow. I used another brand for a few days and was astonished by the difference when I purchased more of the Origins eye cream. Ginzing has caffeine in it which plumbs the skin. Try it. You'll like it.